Before we begin working in Microsoft Word 2016, we need first to acquaint ourselves with the primary user interface. So when you open a blank document in MS Word, you'll see this screen. So we'll briefly discuss to you the parts of the user interface of MS 2016. Let's start at the upper left corner. So this corner here is your quick access toolbar. So by the name itself, quick access toolbar, this is where you can find the most commonly used tools or functions or commands in MS Word. So we have here the start, the undo button, the repeat, and you can also customize what other commands you want to be added to the toolbar. So if there is a check right there, it means it is in the toolbar. If not, you can add and check it. So see, there's already a new. So you can customize that part. Now below the quick access toolbar, we have here the file. So the file tab is where you can see the backstage of the MS Word, which I will show you later on. Now from home down to the office tab, or this part right here that runs across the screen, is what you call the ribbon. So the ribbon is where you can find the commands in MS Word. So the paste command, cut command, and so on. The ribbon is divided into sections or groups. So we have here the clipboard section, font section, paragraph section, styles, and editing. So they are divided by a vertical line. Now each section you will see a dialog box launcher. So this button right here is the dialog box launcher. If you click that button, see a dialog box related to that specific section that you chose will appear. So here you can find other settings or commands that can be applied to your document. Now the ribbon has different tabs. Also, this headings above, or this reference, layout, mailing, and so on, are the different ribbon tabs. So there are the different ribbon tabs. So there are 4, 6, 8 primary tabs, and then this is the office tab, which is related to the office, and then this right here beside the office tab is your help section. So you can type in your questions, you can leave a comment, you can ask concerns about how to use the document or the Word app. So you can type in there if you want to know how to leave a comment, how to edit a header. So this will give you tips or guidelines or guides to aid your concern. Now above that is your document title, or the title of your document or your file name. So once you save the document to a different file name, it will be the file name that will appear in this portion. Now to the upper right corner, we have here the automatic ribbon display option. So you can click on that, and then you have options about the ribbons. So either you can auto hide, you can show the tabs only, or show the tabs and commands. So there, that's easier. Or you can choose this part right here, which this button right here, the collapse the ribbon. So it will show the tab only. Then if you want to re-show the command, click on any tab, and then you will see this pin button. So just click on that again to pin the ribbon back or pin the commands back. So that's it. Then beside the ribbon display options, we have the minimize button, restore down button, and the close button. Below that is the part wherein you will sign in your Microsoft account. So it's currently signed in on my name. Then beside that is you can share the document you are working on. So that's it. Now let's go to the middle. The middle area is your document page, or where you will see your work. Now this blinking icon right there is what you call an insertion point. So or an insertion point or an I-beam. So if you use that, if you type a certain text, that's for example this one, and then like there. So if you click on that certain part of the text, you will see the blinking icon, so you can insert text right there. So that's your insertion point. Next, if you will notice at the top and at the left side of my document page, I have here what you call the ruler. So my rulers are visible right now because I showed them in my because I opted to show my ruler. So you can opt not to show it or have it. Then you can also opt to have the grid lines and the navigation pane. So grid lines, they will not be included when you print your final output. These are just guidelines. And then at the right side is your vertical scroll bar. So that's right there. At the bottom, you have here your status bar. So you can see how many pages your document is, how many words, and what if there are any errors, so whether in grammar or spelling, and then what language you are using. So that is your status bar. On the other side is your view options toolbar. So here you can choose to have the read mode view option, the print layout, or the web layout. So if you go to your view tab, which where I am in right now, so that there you can see all the other views in the view section. You also have outline and draft, but what you can only see at the view toolbar at the bottom is only these first three. But there are 5 views available. Again, there are 5 views available: the read, print, web, outline, and the draft. Now, beside the views toolbar is the zoom slider. So you have here the slider itself. So you can just click and drag it, or you can make use of the negative and the positive sign to zoom in or zoom out, and you will know how many percent or the zoom level is just shown at the side. So that is your MS Word interface.